everyone, so today is another advent calendar unboxing and I've got this 12 days of beauty advent calendar, and this is B&M's beauty advent calendar, and this is manufactured for B&M's. This is B&M's £5 advent calendar. So this is 12 days of beauty, so I'm assuming it's a beauty advent calendar. So we're going to unbox this calendar together. I'm excited about this one. This was only £5. I mean, absolute steal and a half. Well, hopefully it's a steal and a half. We will see, won't we? But let's just start, and let's fingers crossed I don't miss a day. So we're looking for number 1. So you're getting 12 days. So on my last one, it was £4. It worked out about 34 pence for 5 days, wasn't it? Or 33 pence. I would say this is probably like 40 pence, but honestly I don't know. I would put it on the screen here. But I think it's something, it would be something like that. I don't know. So it's £5 for 12 days. Let's see what it is. So day number 1 is here, as you can see. So day number 1 is, by the looks of it, a lip gloss. What do you guys think of the packaging of this? I think it's very New Year. I don't really feel like it's Christmassy or to a theme or anything. I think it's more New Year. This is a very pretty pink glittery lip gloss. Type lip gloss. That was day number 1. So we want day number 2. So let's see where day number 2 is. Day number 2 is another long one down here. Not that you can see. I will say these are quite hard to open. Date number 2 is a pinky colour type lip pencil. Yep, that's it there. It's very pink. It was really hard to get out. The lid doesn't fit like well on that. I will say that. I don't know, stuff like that really annoys me. Date number 3, we've got a little circle up here. Oh, this looks pretty. This is an eyeshadow. Very pretty. Just a nice bronzy eyeshadow. That is it there. Really, really pretty that. I will say that this advent calendar, first 3 doors have been really hard to get into. Like really hard. So I've been having to use one of these. That's only floor up to now really. So day number 4 is the square one here, which I think is going to be a nail polish. Probably like this. Oh, this one feels a bit better to get into. Yeah, it is. It's a nail polish. Such a pretty shade. It's like a really nice silvery shade. Really quite pretty. And it's quite a nice size actually. Yeah, it looks really nice formula too actually. It looks really canny for the money. So we've had a good variety up to now. Even 4 days in, we've had a good variety. So day number 5 is another long one here. So I'm guessing maybe an eyeliner or something like that. Number 5 is actually, I'm going to bring this in closer. Date number 5 is actually really pretty, more paler tone lip gloss. It's more peachy, more my cup of tea, this shade. Even though it makes my teeth look yellow, it's more like what I've got on now. I really like that shade of lip gloss. That's why I'm excited about that one. That was day number 5. I brought these in a little bit close because I felt like these were really far away. So we've got day number 6, which is this big circle one here, which I'm thinking maybe a blusher, a bronzer. Oh, it looks like a blusher. This door was a bit easier to open, but I kind of did go ham with it. This is a blusher. This looks really pretty. It's a nice matte blusher. Really quite pretty. You cannot complain about that. Really pretty. So we want day number 7. Day number 7 is another skinny one here. These are the ones that I seem to fail, like the perforated line just needs to be a bit better on. Day number 7 is a black eyeliner pencil. Not really something exciting, but it's something you really do kind of get in most advent calendars. Do you know what I mean? So I think that's quite uncanny. So day number 8 is another little round one up here. So I'm assuming another eyeshadow. Another eyeshadow, but it's a darkish shade. It's more of a grey tone. Really quite pretty. So we want day number 9, which is a bigger one here. Oh. More of a decent size mascara, and like one that you might actually like really quite like. Oh, so it looks promising. We'll have to see. It doesn't smell of anything. Day number 10, which is another skinny one along here. This looks like a maybe a matte lip cream. Oh no, it's another lip gloss, but it's a full colour lip gloss. Yeah, I thought maybe you might have got like a matte lip cream or something. It's more of a like full colour lip gloss. So that was day number 10. So we went day number 11. So it's this one here. So the day before the last day. Ooh, day number 11 is an exciting item, and it is a highlighter. I'm excited about this. This is it here. Should we do a swatchy? Oh, it's just such a nice subtle highlighter. Oh, I'm excited about that. Like, I'm really excited about that. Ooh, so that was nice. And now we've got day number 12, which is the last day. Oh, wait, I took off the calendar. We try and open it. And we've got another nail polish. It's a nice collab, but it's not much different from the other one, but it's nice. This is the other one. So there is a difference, but not majorly. I would like to have been like a gold or something like that. It's really pretty. I feel like they've got a very New Year's theme in this, to be honest, in this advent calendar. Like, it's very more dark, smoky eye colours. Well, then the highlighter is quite natural, but it is all like, definitely the nail polishes are more New Year colours. The nail polishes look canny though. So, do I think this is worth £5? Definitely. I've got a blusher, highlighter, 2 eyeshadows, 2 nail polishes, 3 lip glosses, eye pencil, mascara, and a lip pencil. Do I think we could add better shade range? Definitely. Like, I definitely think the nail polishes could have been different. I definitely think this is more aimed at New Year's. But for a £5, I mean, the highlighter seems really nice on its own. And the nail polishes look like they're going to be a nice formula. The eyeshadows look quite canny. I don't want to swatch them because I've got more eyeshadows than Scent, so I will probably put them in a bag. A lot of the stuff that I haven't used in these advent calendars, I will either be putting in an advent calendar access giveaway or be giving them to friends and family, things like that. So there'll be a lot of stuff that I will not be using out of these unboxings of these advent calendars, but I'll be giving them back to either friends or family or you guys for like an end of the year giveaway of advent calendar access. I did that with some of my advent calendars stuff last year and it went down really well. I definitely think this is worth a £5. Definitely. I can't say it's not. It's all about your preference and whether you want branded makeup. Well, obviously you're not going to get branded makeup in an advent calendar for a £5. But you know, like when you look at some of the Technic advent calendars and they're quite a little bit more pricey, I definitely think this is not bad at all. Like, it's not bad at all. Like, I'm happy with this. I'm really shocked. You only got 12 days. I think it works out about 40 pence or something a day. I do not know, my math's not there. I've just done it on my calculator and it says it's 41 pence. Like 40 pence for nail polish, 40 pence for lip glosses. I definitely think this is worth it. And if you've got a younger teen, maybe somebody who's 10, 11, 12, 13, I think this would be good for them. Even younger than that, to be honest. I does this have an age range? I don't know, but definitely even 9-year-olds and things like that, I definitely think this is good. I wish he'd done a 24-day one, because I do feel like not a lot of people like to buy 12-day advent calendars. But you could buy 2 12-day advent calendars and they could mix and match, like that Home Bargains one I've just unboxed. That was a 12-day, so you could pay £4 for that one and £5 for this one. You paid £9 and you're getting quite decent things for a young teen or something like that. I definitely think this was worth a fiver. And I will be using some of these items, so that says it, doesn't it? Unboxings, I'm trying to do an advent calendar unboxing every fortnight, but sometimes it might be weekly. So if you haven't already, please subscribe down below. I'm doing a giveaway at 1,500 subscribers and all, so keep an eye out for that. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!